This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today and with a day in the life. So, I went to CVS because I needed to get this for my cane. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom of this attachment piece. This is the stuff that I decided to do this on camera because this is the stuff that makes me feel disabled. When I have to do stuff like this whole cane thing is new to me, but just it makes it real. Like when I have to put my cane together and it's disabled people stuff. This is disabled people stuff. And I am disabled. That's the sad, ugly truth. So I'm on my way to. This is the instructions. I need these because I never ever put on a cane for anyone. Step 1, remove from packaging. Step 2, take the plastic plug out. Oh, this is the plastic plug. Took it out. That was pretty simple. Number 3, put the flexi foot into the cane tube. Flexi foot. Okay, by cane tube, I'm thinking it means this. This is the cane tube. It's raining right now. Okay. Okay. Step 4. Tighten the screw using the Allen key. This is the Allen key. Is this supposed to turn with it? I don't think so. Yep. That's on there. Step 4. Oh, that was step 4. Step 5. Attach the plug back into it. So I'm gonna put the plug back. This is the way it looks at the bottom. Step 5. Step 6 complete cane assembly with the foot, with the flexi foot. Okay. So, put this up here. Yeah. And I'm done. That was so easy. That was so easy. So, I'm on my way to the supermarket to purchase my celery, because when I was on celery juice for months, I was feeling a lot better. So I am going to get back on celery juice, and I'll keep y'all posted. Thanks for watching. And then, too, I want to say, why is it doing that? I guess it's supposed to turn. Okay. So, whenever you feel like, that's why I turn my camera on. Not everybody's disabled. But this is why I say be kind to people, because look, it stopped raining. You never know what someone is going through. Had I not turned on my camera, this 6 steps, how many steps was it? The 6 steps would have took me much longer, because I would have been like feeling sorry for myself, and I would have had a pity party, like, oh gosh, look at me putting on my cane, like, oh God, I can't believe this is happening to me, why me? And I really would have got emotional about it. And this is making me believe that this guy is new to his bike. Because every time he gets on it or off it, he hits the alarm. But anywho, like I was saying, had I had not turned on this camera, I would have been really feeling down and really feeling out. You know, about, I'm only 37, I'm putting together the cane and all of this and all of that. But, you know, it is what it is. I have MS, and I have these symptoms, and this is only temporary. I truly believe that I'm going to get my house together. I truly believe that I'm going to keep this disease at bay. I will be able to walk again. I will be able to jog. Those things are gonna happen, and I'm happy that I'm bringing you on with me on my journey. So, thank you for being a part of my journey. And thanks for watching. Bye.